Well, clearly there have been impressive achievements as far as the development of the economy and of the country as a whole. And at the same time, we have seen some very important initiatives like the Belt and Road, like the commitment to open, innovative and inclusive economic development. And at the same time, of course, the running of the party, where there has been importance attached to the problems of corruption and governance. These are all very impressive achievements. But what's clear also from the Congress is that China and the Communist Party will not just rest on the success. There's a clear look ahead at the challenges, at the targets that have been set for the country, and a demonstration of determination to move on and get those things done. You cannot separate the achievements in terms of the government, in terms of the development of economy and society, from how it's being run with the leading role of the party. And the party has a long tradition. It has principles it adheres to, which can be adapted to the new situation. So I guess in this Congress, the party is continuing to demonstrate that retaining faith in the way the party has handled these issues and having confidence in the path going forward will also be key to reaching those targets, whether in 2021 or 2049.